In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. As and when we do want to establish, we do want to start, we do want to begin a new relationship, a relationship of a friend, a relationship of a team member or a team head, a relationship of a representative either in the municipal bodies or in the legislative, provincial or national assemblies. I think so that or even when we are going to marry someone else, a male or female. I think so. What should be we looking for? What should be given the proper importance, the due importance, rather the most importance. What we are seeing at the moment is that how much somebody is developed materially, how much someone else is possessing. I think so. It is okay, but it is still it should not be kept at the top, because if at all we are keeping this materialism, the materialistic approach as the deciding factor in our relationship, what is going to happen, what is happening at the moment is that we remain, either we don't succeed in making a relationship, or even if a relationship has been made, I think so we remain unhappy, rather a kind of frustration, a kind of hopelessness, a kind of despair does prevail. Why? Because we have kept the materialism at the top and the humanity at the bottom and the sense of responsibility at the bottom. I think so we are being punished for an approach like this one, for an attitude like this one. All what we need to do is that we should be keeping this humanity or a sense of responsibility at the top of it, and we should look for a good human being, a responsible human being, as and when we want to make a friendship with someone else, as and when we want to take somebody as a team member, a commercial organization for the commercial purposes, or otherwise every time we want to choose somebody either as a team member or as a team head, or still if we want to choose somebody as a representative of our either at the local bodies or at the provincial and national bodies. I think so first of all we should take into consideration how much sense of responsibility somebody is having, how much good attitude somebody is having, how somebody is treating the people who are already dependent upon him, whether she is treating them in a fair manner, in a nice manner, in a gentle manner, or treating those people not in a responsible manner. We should also think how this person, the person we want to establish a kind of relationship, whether this person is treating well to those who can neither benefit him nor harm him or her. I think so this is the crucial, this is something of crucial importance, and this is something I am of the view that this is a kind of litmus test. We must not be ignoring it, because ignoring it is going to be disastrous for us. Whatever is happening with us, it is only and only because we have neglected the most important thing ever, and this most important thing ever is that how good somebody is as a human being. All what we were looking at, how much someone is possessing how much somebody is a wealthy one, how much somebody is a successful one as far the social status is concerned, and we have ignored actually the most important thing ever. If at all we do want to come out of this situation, if at all we do want to live in an honorable manner, all what we need to do is that we need to act in quite a responsible manner at the first of all, and we should be choosing, we should be selecting, and we should be associating ourselves with the people who are quite a responsible human being, who are good as a human being, and this must not be ignored. I am not saying that the materialism, the material things are totally unimportant, but what I am trying to say is that materialism comes after the first thing, and the first thing obviously is how good somebody is as a human being, how responsible somebody is as a human being, how much of the good attitude somebody is having. I think so this is something of crucial importance. Then why to ignore it, why to overlook it? And if at all we have overlooked it and ignored it in the past, the price we are paying today, a kind of miserable position we are having today, it is only and only because of that reason. We must understand now, and if at all we don't understand it, even today, even now, what is going to happen? We will keep suffering, and we will keep suffering forever. Dear friends and fellows in Pakistan, please do understand. Please put the right thing at the right place. Please put the first thing at the first. Thank you. Jazakallah.